Now, with the AI Multicam, the most appreciated feature has been the AI alerts. And I'm glad to let you know that we're now expanding to more types of these alerts. And when talking to you about crashes, the most frequent thing I hear about is backing up or bumping into things, especially in tough environments. So we came up with a solution to this. We call it rare collision warning. And we've done it in a quite novel way that I'm quite eager to show you. So take a look at this. So here, we're backing up, but as we do that, check out the color-coded areas that start appearing. So these are the areas that the AI has detected as being in danger of us bumping into. And this can be a pole, a curb, another vehicle, or anything else that might be around us. And that makes those high-stress backing up moments a whole lot easier. And you're going to see us continuously adding more detections like these to the AI Multicam. The reason for that is that this 360-degree visibility changes the fundamentals of safety.